RDDT stock tomorrow Wednesday in this 1 minute video covering technical analysis and price predictions on Reddit INC stocks. So make sure to watch this 1 minute video till the end. Just to give you context, I'm purely following my strategy and system that has previously delivered thousands of wins in 2023. And I'm telling you all of this because that's the truth, and I've documented everything. One and two, I'm just giving you this because that builds a lot of context behind my message. Previously with Reddit, okay, this is fantastic, right? You can see with the data that I had, which was not that much candles, I made a prediction. So if there's like a double break, and if there was a double break, I'm expecting the price to deliver lower, almost like it was super short to delivering it. Then hypothetically, this would have been a break even, but nonetheless, after that, you can see how much we have actually gone up from that last prediction. I'm genuinely just going to mark out the previous highs, and now I'm looking at it from a bullish lens. Let's go to the 30-minute chart. Yeah, this is a great inefficiency. I mean, honestly speaking, I'm also getting in opportunities even in the inefficiencies. So if the price goes a little bit lower and then starts giving me the rules, then and only then I'm actually bullish and nothing other than that. So for more value, check out the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.